I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Hi guys. I didn't give you, huh?
Hi. I haven't said hi.
Hi. What are you guys doing?
I am making journals for the
I thought you were cleaning your room.
Oh.
So, I didn't give you guys a vlog on Monday. I'm sorry. I've been really busy trying to spring clean my house. And I haven't got it very far, so I don't know. I've been trashing. I need to stop and reorganize and then declutter some more. But I'm still going. I haven't forgot about you guys. I was supposed to give you guys a vlog today, but I don't think that's gonna happen because yeah, I need to do a sit down video and update video in regards to my husband and his job. He's gonna stick with this one, but unfortunately it's still not a good fit because, you know, half the people he works with are addicted to some form of drugs, and he can't be in that environment being that he was an addict himself. So that's not gonna work. So he's been sober and clean from hardcore drugs for 11 years. So he can't be in that kind of environment. So yesterday he came home and he looked so zoned out, and my heart kind of like skipped a beat, and I was like, dude, are you okay? He's like, I'm just tired. I was like, kept on looking at him, sniffing him and stuff, and I'm like, you sure you're okay? And he was like, yeah, trust me, I'm not gonna do anything to jeopardize, you know, what we have. Or you just get it. Thanks. Put it in the laundry room, dude. So that was that. And then I've been looking for radon items. And we had a huge argument about that because I've just been so consumed with it, you know. Anything can become an addiction, and I think I have to find a balance between, you know, what's normal and what's obsession. You know, I don't want to become obsessed with trying to find these pieces and all of that. But I did find bake, and I did find the sugar, and I did find the mixing bowl, and I did find cake, and I did find the teapot all in 1 week. So I guess it was kind of worth the argument that we had last night, finding those pieces. I don't know. But for right now, I think I'm gonna stop. And then once I get a handle back on myself and not getting up and running around my area looking for these kind of, you know, pieces, once I find a balance, I will resume back. But yeah, that's what I've been up to. So let me show you guys all the pieces that I've collected so far. So I found teapot. I found the teapot. That's my cat house, don't mind. I found teapot. I found sugar. I found the trinkets tray. Found those tray and platter. Let's eat, serve, cheese. Found that. Well, I found this, these two, this one, that one, and the mixing bowls yesterday. I found cake and these guys and sugar, one for my friend. I found 2 sugars, one for my friend and these, and I found her a couple for herself as well. And yeah, did I tell you guys I found bake yesterday? Yeah. So I'm in the process of reorganizing this This is not how it's going to stay, but this is where I'm putting them to get them off of my table, because if it's in the way and he can see it, we're gonna argue about it. So I'm clearing all of this, putting it here for right now, and then I'm decluttering my kitchen. It's a mess right now because I organized Maddie's stuff. So I organized this cabinet. So all of this section here right there is Madison's. All her bottles and her pumping stuff, they're there. All of our glass and drinking glass are right there. The kids, I pared down these plastic containers. In the back are Jackson's travel mugs, and up there are all the mugs that I own. I'm done. I'm capped off at 20. My husband told me I can't have any more. And then I found cereal bowls, human bowls, last week or the week before, I'm not sure. And then I pared down our plates to 7 because it's 7 of us. And those are the kids' personalized cups that they got from their grandparents when they went to Uruguay. So yeah, that's that. And I cleaned off up here. I still have to wipe off the countertop and stuff, but this is how far I've gotten. So I took what was here, these jars, those can't fit, and I've stacked them here. So that's as far as I've gotten myself. Madison is not sleeping much. She's not letting me do anything. And paired with, oh, I missed something, guys. Look. I found butter yesterday with those. I found butter, and I've been had these, but I'm contemplating whether or not I want to take them back because I have these. So, yeah. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, paired with Maddie and me running out to go find Ray-Ban item, it's just like my house, I just kind of like let the house go. I haven't been planning anything. I haven't been planning my life, and it just feels like I'm just spiraling out of control, and I just want to grab myself and put myself back in sanity. Like, I just want to be back in sanity and, you know, stop chasing Ray-Ban because, you know, it's just gonna drive me crazy. So I'm gonna get my house back on track, and I will vlog tomorrow so you guys can have a vlog on Friday. But I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a bit of an update and just let you guys know that I'm still here. I'm still, you know, I'm still gonna be loyal to you guys, and I'm still gonna, you know, do what I say. What I said I was going to do, which is spit out vlogs every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know that, yeah, that's what happened. So I'm gonna edit this and put it up for you guys. So I hope you guys are having an amazing week, and I will see you guys on Friday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe buttons right down there, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.